I never stop exploring because I believe technology has endless possibilities. Hello again everyone, this is Roland Uy and this is about how to make your non-Bluetooth speaker to Bluetooth speaker the easiest way. All you need to do this setup is the Xiaomi Bluetooth receiver. So let's start with its unboxing. It comes in a small transparent packaging which also comes with a white carton box with a very straightforward branding, with a user manual and a small male-to-male 3.5mm jack cable. And now moving on to the speaker. It's two bookshelf speakers which needs to be connected with its black and red electrical wire from the powered one to the passive. Using this male 3.5mm jack to 2 male RCA cable, this is where we are going to connect the Xiaomi Bluetooth receiver, which later on we will pair to a smartphone and a laptop. Now when turning on this device, you need to press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, then it will followed by a flashing blue and red light, which means the device is ready to pair. From your smartphone, you need to turn on the Bluetooth of course, then when you see the name of the receiver, just simply click on it. And once it's paired, the receiver should have a pulsing blue light. And now let's go for a sound test. In the laptop, you just need to do the same when pairing it with Bluetooth. Those gamers who cannot stick with one setup for a longer period of time. I keep on changing it whenever I wanted to because I love doing it. Hello everyone, this is Roland Uy and this is my Xbox One S gaming setup. That would be all once again. Please subscribe to my channel because it will surely help me a lot to bring you more informative videos like this. Thank you all and I'll see you again next time.